question ko kasi parang natanong na somewhere. So question is ngayon, for Will and Dustin, kung ngayon kakausapin nyo si Bianca as Savannah, the question will complete the sentence, Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi blank. Kung imagine na natin may nasa climax side ng movie, ako ang piliin mo because, ano yung something about you that, but it comes to a point na Savannah has to choose. Ako yung piliin mo because...
Yung press natin, ang hilig mag-fill in the blanks lately.
Yes, kasi sa MJ, ang hirap ng movie, so yun.
Mahirap Miss France.
But anyway, before...
Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi blank.
Yes. Congratulations, guys.
Ah.
Direct May, and hello po sa cast, Wayne, and everyone. Sa inyo, hello. And
Okay. Ano to as character? Reminding you as character. Okay.
Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi ano pag gawin to nang hindi masaspoil?
Baka ma-spoil eh. Okay. No, think of something na hindi i-Easter egg na. Very, very vague. Sampulan mo kami, Cyril Manabas.
Sige nga.
Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi...
Magaling ako magluto.
Ayun!
Yes. Galing.
Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi nanood tayo ng concert na naka-tricycle.
Kasi maaga ako natutulog.
Okay, Will.
Savannah. Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi I'll let you experience the world with my love. Buong puso. Period.
Haba nung period. Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi I will show you the world with my
Methodology.
Dustin, ikaw naman. Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi
Ako, Savannah, piliin mo ako kasi mamahalin kita kahit na sino ka man.
Pwede. Bianca, ano masasabi mo dyan, Savannah?
Okay.
Okay.
Yan.
Maganda yan. Okay. Next, this is for Rain. The question is from Patrick Villanueva. Rain, what is your takeaway from the show and from working alongside these actors? Kasi parang ikaw lang yung hindi nila kabatch sa PBB.
Ay, oo nga, no?
Di ba?
Like Direct May said po kanina, it's youth itself, it's love, it's messy, and it's wild, and it's choosing and realizing your options, and then at the end of the day, boiling it down to who you are and who you want to be. And I just can't believe I'm part of it. So, ayun, thank you so much. Sana makita niyo po yung mga eksena. Super exciting. Ayun.
Si Zach din hindi rin sa PBB eh, no? So parang how does it, paano na yung naki-blend ka with everybody else?
Actually, this is my first time working with everyone except for Bianca. Actually, me and Bianca came in Rice artists at the same time.
Right.
So, but among everything else, parang what an honor, no? Kasi hindi pa ako nag-star sa movie ever.
So this is the first.
Oo po.
Okay,
So,
wow.
yun po. Hopefully, this is not the last. Yun lang.
The next question is for Cyril. Cyril, ang sabi ni Patrick, ang dami mo ng projects, no? You, from the past and then to the recent is Senior High, High Street, It's Okay to Not Be Okay, and of course yung PBB, and then upcoming Hotel 88, no? anong realization mo as a person and as an artist na pinagkakatiwalaan ka pa rin ng marami as one of the well-known young stars of this generation?
Thank you po, Lord, so much. Ano po, siguro, bukod po sa grateful po talaga ako sa blessings. Grateful din po ako sa mga boss, sa mga producers and directors na sumusugal pa rin sa akin na tingin nila I can do the role, I can fit for the role na binibigay nila. Thank you po dahil nakikitaan nila ako na as someone na trustworthy na actress na hindi ko po kasi binibigay yung credit sa sarili ko or sa talent ko. It's more of giving them the credit for trusting me. Ganun po lagi yung mindset ko. Kaya whenever there's a project po, hindi po siya because of me, it's because of them. It's because of the people na binibigyan po ako ng work.
But you have to credit yourself as well because ikaw yung nagtatrabaho. Di ba?
Galing yan sa side. Sobrang galing.
Direct May.
When I worked with her again, Tisa, it's okay ba tayo ulit nag-work together? Ngayon, di ba? Syempre nung bata yan, ilang beses ko na yan nakatrabaho. So, when we work together sa It's Okay, hanap talaga, as in like, one, memorize the lines right away, continuity, alam na alam niya, and talagang, she's a natural. She's a natural, as in, comic timing, wit, quick wit, as in, kaya talagang nung natuwa ako na naka-work ko siya ulit dun sa It's Okay, na-remind ako, sabi ko, oh my gosh, I'm so happy that, you're getting work tuloy, and people are appreciating you. At ngayon, syempre, baby girl ka pa rin namin, kahit nadalaga ka na, babalutan ka pa rin nila ng mga kuya mo, pero still, she's, the talent never faded. So, and I'm excited to see her grow pa. Not grow, but
Not physically.
grow. But, for her to do more roles pa in the future na mas challenge at makitaan pa natin siya.
Of course. We're down to our last two questions, pero before we go to Chad to ask the question personally, may tanong ako, Will, Bianca and Dustin. Kanina sinabi ni Direk May na yung kilig daw napaka-instant na pag kinukunan kayo, nire-rehearse niyo pa ba yun? Tingin-tingin.
Parang hindi.
Hindi na.
Hindi na. Siguro kasi, Sir MJ, yung kilig, nanggagaling sa pag-compromise talaga namin lahat.
Okay.
Siguro nandun na.
Like, for example, yung scene na Bianca na parang hawakan ko yung kamay mo ha.
Hindi, I think it was also natural.
Natural.
And sobrang natuwa ako habang nagtitaping kami because syempre with Dustin, first time ko siya makilala sa PBB and syempre ibang experience naman yung naramdaman ko doon inside with him and our chemistry inside was so different from taping. And with Will naman, syempre this is her second project together. So parang ang masasabi ko with the both of them, that kilig that they both give me is different.
Okay.
Kumbaga yung nabibigay sa akin ni Will, ganito nararamdaman ko, kilig siya pero may ibang klaseng spice. Same goes with Dustin, kinikilig ako pero may ibang layer siya. So I think that's why, that's what the fans saw and the three of us. Kaya rin naniwala sa amin yung mga tao because subconsciously, hindi namin napapansin na chemistry-wise, we all bring something into the table.
Pero pag kunyari titigang kayo, parang may unang natatawa, unang kinikilig, may ganun ba?
Nung kami po ni Dustin na nagtinginan.
Ay, teka. Dustin, pag titigang kayo ni Bianca,
Well, for me kasi yung kilig, nanggagaling siya sa pagiging komportable mo sa tao.
sa kapartner
Sa
mo.
partner mo. So, I mean, yun nga, nanggaling kami sa PBB tatlo. So, sobrang komportable talaga namin nasa isa't isa. At nung dinala naman namin siya sa set, parang natural na rin talaga eh. Kumbaga alam na namin, genuine.
Genuine, sabi ni Direk May, no?
There's a genuine care for each other. Kaya lumalabas yun sa mata. Kasi parang hindi sa dahil walang pakialam. There's a genuine care for each other. Kaya yun, nakaka-capture siya.
Yeah, we wanna see that. Yan ang gusto namin makita sa pelikula. Chad,